Now may I request sir to felicitate Professor Tapan Kumar Mishra from Niger Bhubaneswar. Now may I request sir to felicitate Professor Ashok Kumar Mahapatra from Niger Bhubaneswar. So may I request Honorable Vice Chancellor sir to felicitate Dr. Sushant Kumar Pal from Sikha Anusandhan from Bhubaneswar. Thank you. Thank you very much, sir.
It's a proud moment for me to welcome you all to this program of faculty development, quantum technology and other things. I'm not a competent person to comment on the topic, but I'm very happy that new topic is going to be discussed. Of course, it's not new for our resource person, but new for this university, for research. As I know, this is study of smaller and smaller particles and how they react, interact, and all these things. And the program is intended for better research, more innovation, and development in science. Our intention is very clear to hand over the colleges. Their faculties should be enriched with new knowledges. They must be resourceful as well as good researchers so that we can enter into the colleges with research. Colleges are still into teaching. They are more focusing on teaching, less focusing on research. But if you look at the national education policy, obviously if teaching is not going with research, perhaps we will be at a gap. Keeping this in mind, we have tried our best to hand over the colleges as well as the researchers, present here, future researchers who are students of physics department, to prepare them to mold their minds to enter into new areas of research in physics and to acquire innovations and more advanced researches. I find young faces in front of me, the enthusiastic scientists working as teachers in colleges, working as research scholars in universities, as well as studying physics as students in this university. We received a call from Honorable Chancellor to work on this quantum techniques and all these things. So this is a response to the call of Honorable Chancellor. And in response, we are also trying our best to be to advanced research for our university as well as for the colleges working under this university. And we believe that if we march with new researches, new innovations, perhaps we will grow by ourselves, and if we involve colleges, we will be a better partner to the colleges, to hand over the colleges for advanced research. I thank the resource persons that they have received our call. Time and again they are helping us, for which I am really obliged to you all. And I thank the Department of Physics, the colleagues of mine who have taken care of organizing this kind of activity, which will be helpful for all in this area. And thank you all.
Thank you, sir, for your inspiring vision, motivating words, and for encouraging all the participants to embrace emerging frontiers in quantum science and technology. To express our sincere gratitude to everyone who has contributed to making this program possible, I now invite Himanshu Nayak sir. So he is the coordinator of this program. I have to propose the thank you.
Everyone to one more present here. Welcome to the FDP. Most esteemed Vice Chancellor Sri Santosh Kumar Tripathi sir, respected Chairman Postal Council Professor Santosh Kumar Agrawala sir, respected Director HRDC Professor Anindra Kumar Nayak sir, respected Coordinator of this FDP Dr. Vivekananda Nayak sir, respected the today's resource person Tapan sir, Ashok sir, FAKIR sir, Sushant sir, respected Rajiv sir, and the team of HRDC Arun sir, Dhavalkar sir, Saw sir, Rajashri madam, and the media person and the resource scholar faculty from different colleges, students. So welcome all to this FDP. I feel honor and privileged to propose a vote of thanks on this occasion. First and foremost, I like to thank our Vice Chancellor, Sri Santosh Kumar Tripathi sir. Sir always encourages us and guidance that motivate us to organize such a program, and that energy always radiates with us. Thank you, sir. I like to thank Chairman Postal Council Professor Santosh Kumar Agrawala sir from thinking to organize and execute this program. Thank you, sir. I like to thank Director HRDC for his support and coordination. Thank you, Sir Anindra sir. I like to thank coordinator of this program, Dr. Vivekananda Nayak sir, for support, help, and organize program. Thank you, sir. I like to thank HRDC, especially coordinator Arun sir and the staff of the HRDC member for his support and guidance to organizing this FDP. I like to thank the resource persons and the students, faculty members, media person being present here to make this event a successful one. Thank you all. Have a good day. Thank you.